Hello guys, I'm back. So let's get started. In today's session, we're going to talk about, we'll do some practicals. So we will start with, it's like, see, if you want to learn anything in programming world, so there's something called as hello world, right? So we'll try to, it means the most basic program that can be done. So we will do the same thing. But before that, I want to just give a quick intro on what exactly is this. See, when you open this tool, you will see this thing, blank, simple process, agent, then REF, right? So REF framework. So for what exactly is blank? Blank is nothing but it's just like creating a blank process, and you will be creating your what you call as mapping process in different languages. It's the same thing, right? So we will see. I will create and I will show you, so no need to worry. Now what exactly is flowchart? Right, so flowchart is it contains already a template. You can say it's like a template, so it will have pre-built things. So it's something like blank plus a template. So that's all what a process flowchart is, right? And this one we'll talk about these two things later, but just as a quick introduction, this one is nothing but, let's say if I type Control C, what happens when you type Control C? It's copy, right? So when I type Alt F4, what happens? Your computer will shut down, right? That's the operation. So that's if you want to, let's say if I want to, if I have something like Control Z. So what I want is if I do Control Z, then a program should start. If that's what I want, then I will have to configure it here, right? And this one is pretty much same as flowchart, but we will have something related to, it's a pre-built template that contains business processes. We'll talk about that later, so no need to worry. So as of now, let's not complicate, let's just create a simple blank project. So if I say, and just for your information, in the recent you can see all the projects that you have created. Clear? All the projects that you have created. If I create a new project by clicking on blank, just click on blank, and well, I have already created something called as hello world. So just say my first program, right? So just create, done. So it's can you see something like you have something like main and lot of activities. So what are these activities? Now that's all what this Uipath is about. Uipath is all about activities. So you need to understand all the activities that are there, and you need to master and understand activities. Now, am I trying to complicate things? So what exactly, let me simplify it. So what exactly are the activities? So let me demonstrate, then probably you can understand. So what we will do is, let's just create a flowchart. So that's like a starting of anything. So if I say flow chart, so just this is a drag and drop, very simple, drag, drop, done. So we have a start. So start is like the first phase. It's like kind of mandatory thing. The first, it will initiate the thing, right? Now what I'll do is, I will, instead of making it theoretical, let me just make it practical so that you can understand. And guys, practice with me, so that will make it clear. Now see, so start, then what I want is, I want to, let's say I have something like what happens when you try to delete a file? What happens? You see a message. Do you want to delete? Are you sure or no? Right? Something like that. So we can do something like that here. So that's called as a message box. So just say message, right? So message box, this one, and drag, drop. Right? Now you just simply need to connect this. Why am I connecting? Because I mean, that's how it's done. So after start, what it will do is, it will basically start the message box. And if you want to configure the message box, you can double click and configure, or you can just go here, flowchart, click on this. So if you can observe the right hand side, it got changed. If I click on start, it shows different thing. If I click on this, it shows different thing, right? So what exactly is this? Let me just show you, then probably you will understand. So instead of telling a bunch of stories, let me just show you. So see, content, buttons. First of all, let me configure the button. So button is okay, right? So remember, it's okay. Let me just save this. What I did is Control S, okay, save it and run it. So what is this error exactly? See the error, just go and view the logs studio, right? So this is the logs anyway. So what is the error all about? Text was not supplied, right? So that's what the error is. Let's just try to fix it. Which text was not given? Let me just give the title. So title, I think we have missed it, so that's why. So let's just say you need to give it in quotes, okay? So test window, right? So just say okay, and see, you need to understand what okay, this is crazy, we missed the text. So what will be displayed in the box, I mean that we missed it. So really it's strange. See, this is the message that will be displayed. So let's say that just say I liked you in quotes, okay? Let's just say something strange, funny. So just save it, flow, run it, see what happens. I liked you, test window, clear? So test window, I liked you, okay. Do you understand what we have done? What is I liked you, what is test window, what is okay? So we can change this okay to okay cancel, save it, run it, see, okay cancel, clear, okay cancel, simple, right? I liked you. So if I change I liked you to something else, can I change it? Go here, yeah, I hate you. So run it, yeah, I really don't hate you, but that's a message anyway. So if I say, I can say okay or cancel. Got it? It's quite simple. So that's the most basic thing. So that's what this button, content, title, text, right? That's all what they mean. And private basically means that you will not have logs will not be generated. Okay, let's not make it theoretical, let's just do the practical stuff, then we'll come to the theory. So this we've got start, and then we got a message box. So this was the most basic thing that you can do in the Uipath thing. So I will finish this tutorial with this thing. Now in the next tutorial we will try to add the inputs as well, right? Thanks guys, thank you very much.